All right, guys, no sooner do I get a roof job done than I start another roof job. It's the month of roof jobs. Might be a little too close. Another windstorm came along, blew some sheet metal up here. All this roof's gonna be replaced because of this guy right there. Windows are gonna be replaced because of a little bit of wind. Now this is a TPO roof. It's not a rubber roof, but it goes down just like a rubber roof. So all this has got to come off and then it can come in the shop. At least that's the plan. Okay, well, I'm gonna try to change this up a little bit this time. My camera audio has been really going flaky in and out. So at any rate, this roof we're gonna go ahead and replace. In order to get it to fit in the shop, we're gonna have to rip everything off. So what we're doing here is we're just removing the ACs. These ACs are actually bolted down from the top, so they don't have access to the plenum from down below. You have to remove all the wires. So what we've done right there is just use the roof of the shop as a convenient bench to hold the ACs while we do this roof job. We're going to do the same thing on the front one. You can kind of see all the wires we have to pull out, and then we'll get it out of the way. You can kind of see how the plenum's set up there. And of course, now we're just going to get everything off the roof. No OSHA out here in County Island, so. Is that better?
Yeah, I think it'll fit now.
All right, it's big enough. We got enough room in the back, but not in the front. So we're gonna try something out. Well, we've got everything off the top. In the back, it slopes down, so it's enough to get through that door. But of course, the top slopes up. So what we're gonna have to do, we've already let all the air out of the tires. It's hard to see that. Well, not all the air, most of the air. And then I drop the front jacks down, and we'll slowly creep it in. And then of course, Josh will eventually watch me to make sure that I'm not actually gonna hit anything. We ended up having about a good 4 or 5 inches clearance on that front, believe it or not. I told you guys it would fit. I don't know why you're so worried. I was worried.
How do the Cardinal fit in a 12-foot door?
So this is a 12-foot door. And this thing's got to be at least 13 feet tall. But we did it. And now look at all the room in here. If only the front of the door was that high. But I didn't design this shop. I could get a bigger shop, but then I have to spend more money. And then I have to charge more money. And then I have to move. All I wanted to do was small little trailers. Look at that. I'm taller than this one. Okay. That was enough fun for the day. Hope you enjoyed that. This will be our next project.